Hey, it's Laura, back with another insider tour of my newest listing. Today, we're in Westminster Village. This premier planned community hugs the border of Huntington Beach and Seal Beach along the Western Edge of Westminster. It's best known as being set in the heart of a series of neighborhoods that are known as the best kept secret in Orange County. Offering its residents country club style living without the price, residents enjoy 5 pools, tennis courts, spa and kiddie pool, saunas, playgrounds, rec and community rooms, plus miles and miles of walking trails. If you're looking for a lifestyle upgrade, then look no further. This beautiful, fully upgraded townhouse offers 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, a private backyard, and a fully finished 2-car garage. Developed as an attached single-family dwelling, this property doesn't have any purchasing restrictions, so FHA, VA, and conventional buyers are all welcome. As you tour this home, you'll notice the upgrades throughout, and you'll be happy to know that it has central heat and air conditioning, plus dual-pane energy-efficient windows throughout. This beautiful community is best appreciated in person, so reach out today to schedule your private tour and imagine making 5006 Hampton Court into your new dream home.